The first thing on rejections is understand it's not about you. Understand, don't take it personally. If someone does reject you. And that may mean no, not now, or we've already committed our funds this year. It just means not now. They've committed their funds this year. It's okay. When can we get in the budget for next year? I mean, I remember saying that plenty of times. If they said not now or our budget is set, I said, well, when would be a good time so I could get in your budget, or we could talk further about this. It wasn't personal, and that I think will alleviate the rejection, and just start on that mindset. And then understand that on rejection, you've got to know the person, the know, like, trust process. That's got to have formed. You probably would get rejected from a person if you didn't really know them and you asked them for money, and certainly for a large amount, you ask them, you're going to get a long stare, and rightly so.